Check to see if the right cycle was used. Some cycles have faster spin speeds than others. For example, on this model, the normal spin speed is faster than the delicate. On some models, a faster spin speed can be selected. Check to make sure the drain hose is not kinked or restricted. If a single or bulky item was being washed, the load may have become off-balanced. When this takes place, the washer may try to redistribute the weight and attempt to spin again. If the weight cannot be redistributed, the washer may only run at a reduced level. The item may not spin completely dry, and the basket may still have water in it. If this is the case, add items or try to evenly distribute the wet laundry in the basket and start a drain and spin cycle. The same result can happen if the washer was overloaded. If this occurred, remove part of the load and start a drain and spin. If an extension cord is used, there will be less voltage supplied to the washer. This will cause the washer motor and pump motor to run hot and shut down prematurely. Discontinue using the extension cord. Are suds visible in the basket? If there are extra suds, was the suds routine activated? Pump suds lock caused by over-sudsing from improper detergent use can prevent complete pump out. If suds are visible, run a delicate cycle using cold water and no additional detergent to help remove the suds. Once the suds are removed, the washer should operate properly. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.